Hello, I'm Albert, and you are watching the Zenko Plus TV. I have a wonderful gentleman who is a deep thinker and very knowledgeable. He goes by the name Yak. Yak, you're welcome to us.
Thank you, Albert.
One might want to know, who is Yak?
Tell
us
Yak,
a brief intro. Yak.
Yak is a loving guy. You know, I love with all my heart.
Hey, so you get love?
Yeah, I get love. I'm a very good person.
Oh, that's nice.
I have a good heart. You know, I just don't want to see people cry.
Yes.
Yes.
Someone who is actually out there to give people some kind of consoling.
Yeah. Okay. I'm that kind of a person.
You don't get that from guys.
I give you my all, but once you mess up, I take the key away. I lock you and take the key.
Ladies, you hear some word. You know they talk. You mafia man, that be your.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I love football. You know. And love reading. You know, I'm a family man. And always at home with my parents and my.
So that makes you a family man.
Oh yeah, I'm a family man.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm practicing. I'm a practicing family man. Yeah. Let me see
okay, I think that's more appropriate because if you say family man, people might think you are married.
Oh no.
You know that kind of thing.
Yeah, you're married.
But you know normally when we talk of family man, that's the first thing that comes into our mind.
Yeah. Married for another day. Okay.
I don't want to marry anytime soon.
Oh no. It's that one you have to pray.
Sure.
You don't just enter into it.
Sure, that one is very true.
Yeah.
Very true. And then I learned you have an upcoming podcast.
Yeah.
Can you just brief us on it?
Okay. The name of the podcast is a Bird's Eye View podcast.
Why the name Bird's Eye View?
You know, the Bird's Eye View. You know, you are looking at it from a holistic point. You know, it's just not me. I don't want to, seem biased. You have to, listen to someone's view. You know, my view. That's why I'm bringing a lot of like guys, and the girls to, we come around, talk about issues, pertaining to maybe infidelity, female nature, why men do what they do, tribalism in politics. We talk about cryptocurrency. I myself, talking more of economic issues and all. At least let's try to, talk about, day-to-day issues, with the guys.
Okay, so from all the things you just pinpointed, they are all issues that are really welcoming. But I think 2 or 3 of your lines made me know that you kind of sound very keen on infidelity.
Oh, with infidelity, yeah. Okay. Charlie, we all go pass through. You the
who? You pet.
Oh no, we all.
Oh no, I the beg. If you pet.
You see, okay.
We are still not date before. So I still not date before.
If you start the
No. I won't pray like you talking at them married. I won't pray them married.
No, but you see, like Miles Monroe said, you would have to understand a woman before you even go in. It's like before you drive, you have to, learn how to drive before you own a car.
Okay.
You don't just get up and start driving. You have to know a lot of things.
So more of a prior knowledge.
Yes.
Okay.
Through dating, you get to know the person. Mannerisms, temperaments. You have to know them. If you are ignorant or naive about certain things and you just enter into it and all, it will crash, honestly.
Okay.
Because you have to learn. Women are really complicated.
Wow.
Yeah, they are really. Men are simple creatures.
How complicated?
Mm-hmm. Women talk covertly.
Sure.
So there are certain things you have to know how they communicate. Yes, all this.
I just remember a video I recently watched. I think it was something about a relationship talk, that kind of thing. And then it was by a prophet, and the prophet was like, when you have an issue with your lady, and your lady goes like, I don't give a damn, I'm leaving, you better follow her.
No, I don't believe you should follow her.
You don't believe?
No.
Why?
You're a man. You have to let the woman fall in your frame. If the woman is disrespecting you, you either walk away. If she walks away, then she has pinpointed it to you that she's not scared of losing you. And you as a man, you should let a woman be scared of losing you.
But one might also argue and say that probably she's only trying to see if indeed you actually love her.
No.
Sometimes it's just like Today I spoke to a friend,
Okay.
and then he was like, "Oh, I had an issue with my girlfriend," and then in the course of that, we had to say, "Okay, we are all doing our ways, our way." And then with that, he decided not to call the girl for 3 hours just to see if the girl was going to call back. In less than 3 hours, the girl called. So to him, he felt based on that short duration that the girl called, the girl actually loves him. That's his mindset.
No, you see, the notion out there is men are hunters. Are you getting it? But when you look closely, women are rather the hunters. Are you getting it? You are supposed to let a woman, are you getting it? Let a woman earn you. Let her earn your affection. Don't just give it out freely. A lot of guys give it out freely. That is why when you get the lady along, because she has not earned you that kind of attention from you, she's going to misbehave. Are you getting it? Sure. Once a lady misbehaves and you don't like certain things about her, either you ignore her for some days, let her feel that you're a man of value. Are you getting it? You don't chase after a woman. A woman who doesn't like you anymore, you can never negotiate with genuine desire. Are you getting it? You shouldn't chase a woman. You are supposed to pursue a woman. You don't chase. They are two different things.
So what's the difference between chasing and pursuing?
No, you are chasing a woman. You are trying to convince her that she should, she should be with you. But to pursue, you are going in for something you really want. You've seen in her. Are you getting it? Yeah. And you are letting her know that this is something I've seen within you that I like. Okay. Are you getting it? Yeah. So you are not going to be all over or clingy around her. Okay. Are you getting it? There are differences. Okay. But a lot of guys these days are chasing. And the chasing is leading to transactional relationships. Because the lady is not genuinely into you. So you use money. You use certain things. Are you getting me? Sure. In form of peacocking, trying to signal to her that
realistic.
Are you getting it? So you are using her, as a means, like you are using those things as a means to get her. Okay. And once you use those things, women are creatures of habit. Once you use those things to get her from the beginning, you set the precedence of the relationship. And once those things end, the relationship too ends.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
So it's just like you having a new puppy in the house.
Yes.
The habits that you train that puppy with becomes what it's going to live by.
Yes.
Okay.
But
okay.
But for let's be careful here. I don't want, for the sake of our viewers, to think women are puppies.
Oh, no, please. Okay. It's just an example that I cited.
Okay.
So, viewers, with this knowledge that you've attained, you know that there's a lot more to actually hear from this wonderful guy. Yeah. You need to go out there and make sure that once the podcast is out, you're also going to get a piece of it just to listen. So, Yara, one might want to access your podcast because definitely they're eager to hear more. Because with just this little insight, I must tell you, I'm impressed.
Oh, okay.
So please, tell us your various platforms of it.
Okay, on Instagram is BEV Podcast. And on YouTube is BEV Podcast. Okay. On Facebook is BEV Podcast GH.
Oh,
yes.
That's nice.
And then on Google Podcast too is BEV Podcast.
Okay, but have you thought of trying to do some writings, whether being it WordPress or whatsoever?
You see, I don't really know. You claim I know a lot, but I'm now trying to see it, trying to get one or two things, based on the environment I'm in. So I can't just basically say I'm starting now. I just want people to really know where we are really going in with the podcast. Then if people are now bringing up issues, want to know a lot about certain issues that they are facing personally, then I could use that to write on WordPress and all.
Okay. And I know you are someone with a very busy schedule. That's one.
Yeah.
I know you are very ambitious. You have higher pedestals you want to get to.
Yes.
But why choose to come out with a podcast?
With the podcast, you see, pertaining to my experiences, are you getting it? I just don't want. I don't want people to be lost. Okay, it's like with pertaining to like female nature, I had to face certain issues in my previous relationship. Are you getting it? Yeah. And I later got, after I ended the relationship, before I got to know a lot of things. At that time, it was too late. Are you getting it? So with the podcast as well, is I'm just trying to do it like friends, where like you have the guys, sometimes you bring the girls, you talk about issues of relation in your relationships and all. So through this, we used to have a gathering back at home. Friends come, we talk about issues. Friends have relationship issues. They call me on phone. Sometimes we even have a conference call. We talk about issues. We waste a lot of time talking about issues and all. And there are a lot of things people could learn from. So this podcast basically is more like we're educating people. Are you getting it? We're educating. Some people would want to monetize. Are you getting it? But for us, we want to educate. Purely education. We are learning from the audience. The audience is also learning from us. Sure. It's a give and take affair. So yes.
I think that's a wonderful idea.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, Albert.
It's been nice having you here.
Sorry,
Viewers, we are drawing the curtains on today's interview. And do also follow us on all our social media platforms at Dizenko Plus TV. Thank you.